Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your smart home rules using Amazon EventBridge schedules, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have an Amazon Web Services account. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon EventBridge service. Click on Rules in the EventBridge dashboard. Select Create Rule to start the process. Choose a name for your rule that reflects its purpose. Set the rule type to schedule for time-based execution. Define the schedule using either a fixed rate or a cron expression. If using cron, specify the time zone for accurate scheduling. Click Next to proceed to the target configuration. Select an appropriate target for your backup process. Common options include AWS Lambda or a step function. If you select AWS Lambda, ensure you have a backup function created. Enter necessary configuration details for the target service. Set options for the event transformation if needed. Once your target is configured, review the rule settings. Click Create Rule to finalize your setup. Test the rule to ensure it triggers as expected. Monitor your EventBridge dashboard for successful execution logs. Regularly check your backup strategy to ensure it meets your needs. Adjust the schedule or target as necessary. Document your backup process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.